Hi, I'm Taylor Tone, the host of BTV Business Television. Well, after 7 years, BTV is the longest-running independently owned business show in Canada. Our program is broadcast nationally to 30 million households across Canada and the U.S. Who's been on the show? We feature all sectors from mining to biotech. Our list includes emerging companies like Profile X and Wex Pharmaceuticals to large caps like Bombardier and Electronic Arts.
You're watching Business Television.
Have you noticed the cost of operating your vehicle lately? Have you noticed the sticker price on new vehicles? Well, gas prices are up, and the cost of everything related from tires to tune-ups are rising every day. But what if there was a way for you to make your vehicle run more efficiently, last longer, save money on operating costs, and even make some money by telling your friends to do the same thing? Well, if that possibility interests you, a company called Bitron Global wants you to examine their solution. Well, we all know there are more cars on the road each year, guzzling gas and spewing out pollution. The car market is expanding virtually everywhere, and in some countries, the growth rate is nearly 15%. World demand for oil is increasing dramatically, increasing prices and taxes. All those vehicles put a lot of pressure on energy prices and the environment. Now meet a company with an answer to those problems. Bitron Global is a profitable private Canadian company, combining a team of well-respected automotive and petroleum research engineers with lawyers, MBAs, and accountants. The team leader and president of Bitron is Dick Simmons, a seasoned business professional. He believes that Bitron can solve a number of issues by distributing their products using a network marketing approach. Bitron's suite of products uses an exclusive technology that has been proven to work in diverse applications, from heavy industry to the family car, for more than a decade. During that time, the company has generated more than $100 million in sales. Applications are simple and affordable. In a passenger vehicle, you can add Bitron engine treatment to your regular oil. The transmission gearbox and differentials are treated with Bitron's powertrain product.
Bitron, a radically new 100% petroleum-based formula which fuses polarized oil molecules to metal surfaces with positively charged ions.
Bitron's applications make the metal surfaces slippery, providing enhanced startup lubrication and allowing a smoother transfer of energy through the system. The vehicle runs and shifts more smoothly with less noise and vibration and lower operating temperatures. Bitron works for both gas and diesel applications. Bitron's fuel treatment cleans your fuel system and injectors as you drive and lubricates the moving metal surfaces. A combination of technologies allows the fuel to vaporize and burn more completely, releasing more of the energy and fewer harmful emissions out of the tailpipe. Bitron says their products can extend the life of equipment and reduce the cost of operation. Bitron believes that their business is poised to benefit from a synchronous combination of 3 factors: high energy costs, environmental damage caused by unchecked accelerated use of hydrocarbons around the world, and a need for more income brought on by layoffs, downsizing, and baby boomers' early retirement. Startup costs are relatively low, especially for a business with great revenue upside potential. Bitron provides distributors with a great line of proven products and marketing tools they need to promote the products, combined with a sophisticated commission structure that directly rewards their distributors for sales generated by their business. Bitron offers lifestyle incentives like paid cruises and travel to exotic vacation spots for the real achievers. Network marketing is recognized and well regulated in most countries around the world. In his book, Maximum Wealth, Minimum Taxes, chartered accountant Ross Nickel explains the business advantages of the independent distributor.
In a network marketing business, you have the potential to develop residual income, which is the attraction for a lot of people. So it's a really viable way to create new business knowledge for yourself and create a network and earn residual income.
Bitron uses the latest in high-tech communications technologies and market support for their distributors. Deliveries are made directly to clients. There are no stores and no door-to-door deliveries or sales. The company provides an extensive website for orders, tracking commissions, and communication with distributor groups. Distributors also create their own training seminars and tools. Metal has a negative charge. The hotter metal becomes, the stronger that charge becomes. When other oils and additives get hot, they vacate the areas and leave the metal parts unprotected. Because of Bitron's unique technology, it is attracted to the hot spots, providing even more protection for those areas which are more prone to wear.
Okay, what we have here is a cross-axis friction testing machine. We've got a big electric motor that's spinning a race bearing. We're holding another bearing against it with this torque wrench to see how much pressure the lubricant can stand. I'm going to put a 30-weight oil into the lubricant bath there. I'm going to turn it on. You see the lubricant is failing very noisily at about 100, 125, and it's so hot the two metal surfaces have welded together. Okay, now I'm going to add some Bitron to the mix, some of our engine treatment. At about the same ratio we'd use in an engine, and I'm going to apply pressure again. And you can hear the noise level has changed. And we can take it right up to the 150 where the engine oil failed. Now we're going to see if we can take it higher. We're up over 250, 300, 350, 400. We can even do the shock test.
The proprietary technology creates an oil molecule that anchors to the metal surface. Bitron mixes with whatever lubricant is being used and coats the metal with a protective layer of oil. It is attracted to areas of heat where conventional lubricants break down and fail.
Now, we're going to add some water into this. Imagine if you blew a head gasket. There we go, the water's boiling away in there. And we're keeping the pressure on over 600 pounds. I'm going to throw some sand and dirt into the mix. Imagine that concoction in your engine. And then if I can take this off, there we go, we've got no lubricant at all. And the Bitron, I don't know if you can look at the scale there, but we're off the scale at probably about 700 plus pounds, and it won't go any higher, and the Bitron won't seize. Stuff really works.
Another major waste of energy on your vehicle is underinflated tires. Bitron solves this problem with its tire safety product line. This product not only helps prevent the flat tire, it seals the inside of the tire, dramatically reducing the usual loss of air pressure, thereby extending the life of the tire and improving fuel economy.
So I'm just creating the puncture, and as you can hear, the air is coming out. I'm going to spin the tire. You can see that the sound has actually disappeared and sealed that puncture.
Bitron has more products in their development pipeline, and the company is growing rapidly, expanding into the U.S. and foreign markets. Distributors and corporate staff are all optimistic about the opportunity. Many people wonder if network marketing can work for them. The question you should ask is, are you ready to work for yourself? For most of us, our car is our second largest investment. Who wouldn't want to preserve that investment, save money on operating costs, and do something positive for the environment? In addition to those solutions, today Bitron is putting thousands of people into the driver's seat of their own business.
You're watching Business Television.